Hi, my name is Kathleen Powers. I'm a Read 180 teacher here at Marshall Middle School. I formerly taught grade 6 English here for 9 years and decided to embark on a new adventure. I am very excited about the Read 180 program. It's a targeted reading intervention program that combines an element of student choice in the books they choose and the programs they participate in, along with adaptive technology that meets them at their level and needs. This promotes confidence and greater success and achievement in their reading levels, and I cannot wait to start teaching this program this year. I know your child will be as excited as I am. I also wanted to pass on an additional tip. I'm a Lynn resident who walks to school every day, and I cannot believe the level and amount of traffic that ends up in the front of the school every morning. If you feel comfortable, can I suggest that you drop your child off either at the corner of Empire, if you're on the Eastern Ave end, or the corner of Chatham and Brookline. It is right there at the school. They only have to walk a short distance. They'll get a little fresh air, and you will not have to sit in that traffic any longer. I cannot imagine doing that every day. And the kids get really excited when they see me walking, because they think we all live under the school. So when they bump into me, they're always excited to walk to school with me. So I assure you, it is a very good idea. I'm looking forward to this new adventure this year, and I hope to talk to you very soon.